Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kigali, where the night unfolds, stars whisper secrets, and the city holds dreams in the...
If you don't know about these clubs, you're not living the full Kigali experience. Here are the top 5 nightclubs where fun, excitement, and great vibes meet. 5. The Wave Lounge. Looking for a cool place to vibe with good music and cocktails? The Wave Lounge is where you start your night. Shooters Lounge. For those who love an upbeat vibe, Shooters Lounge is the place to go. 3. People Club. This club is all about the crowd. People Club is where you'll find Kigali's energetic partygoers, a mix of locals and visitors. The music is great, and the party doesn't stop until the sun's up too. Billionaire's VIP Bar and Club. If you're looking for luxury, head to Billionaire's. This club is upscale and glamorous, perfect for those who want to party like a VIP. Dress your best, because this is where Kigali's elite hang out with. Cadillac Nightclub Party Destination. Cadillac is the heart of Kigali's nightlife, famous for its electric atmosphere, great music, and unforgettable nights. It's the place to be if you want to experience Kigali's wildest parties. Don't miss out on these hotspots. They're the best places to hook up in Kigali nightlife.